Well, the testing site is up and running, but if you show up without an appointment, you'll be turned away. Now today we were at the testing site and doctors said that with limited number of tests, that not everyone should be screened.
The people in our community who need testing, we will be able to get them tested. I also want to assure you that we've been given the ability for the sickest people in the hospital to prioritize testing with the Department of Health to get some quick turnaround times on a small number of these tests.
For the first time in the River Valley, there's now a COVID-19 testing location in Fort Smith. It's set up outside of the community building at Ben Guerin Park, and it's there to serve the entire region, but an appointment is required.
What we don't want is chaos. We have a limited number of healthcare workers able to staff this facility, and so we don't want people showing up to the testing center that we're setting up without being directed through the call center.
Concerned residents should call the River Valley COVID hotline. Callers will be screened to determine if they should be tested for coronavirus.
And I know that's a difficult subtlety to understand, but it's important if we're going to stay organized and we're going to be able to process the people we need to process. So we do have a testing center that we're setting up, but it's specifically for people who have been screened through our screening center.
Currently, there are no confirmed coronavirus cases in the River Valley, but Dr. Lee Johnson says it's just a matter of time if it's not here already. Dr. Johnson says right now, River Valley hospitals are not overwhelmed with sick patients.
We know statistically speaking that 80% of the people who get this infection will have mild symptoms. And we don't need people with mild symptoms coming to our hospitals. People with mild symptoms are still contagious, and we want to do our best to protect our patients and our healthcare workers.
And besides that COVID screening hotline, folks here in the River Valley can also dial 411, and that also applies to our neighbors in our Oklahoma counties, LaFleur and Sequoyah counties. You can dial 411 for information about the services here to help. Live in Fort Smith, Brett Rains, 4029 News.